Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my Cyber Office YouTube channel. Today we have this nice toy. It's a Cleco electronically controlled torque wrench. It's a 3/8 inch drive. And this part number is, let's see if I can show you. Hard to see. Yep, right here. And I'm gonna show you how to use it with this controller. Controller is the Cleco Tightening Manager, which is right here. And the model of this Cleco is TME-212-U. And it's pretty easy to set up. Just click on configuration right here, and you're gonna see. Let's see if you can click on configuration, and then click on. Let's see. You can click on standard. Standard. Right now we have two phases. And the stage number 1, which is right here, you're going to select the stage number 1. We can adjust the torque in Newton meters. Let's see, we can adjust the first stage into, let's see, we're gonna begin with 3. Our target will be 19. And the speed, see the speed right here, it's gonna be 250. Let's change it to 300. And next stage, it's going to be 6 to 12, and the speed is going to go to 200. Let's see, 200, 200, and enter. 200. Okay, now we have the speed here, 600. Let's check in the next stage. Yep, 319, 300. And actually this is just a speed run out torque. So having these settings, you just have to click on run and accept and enter. It seems like something is out of range. Let's see what happens. So go here. As soon as we click on the trigger, now we can torque. See, it's faster, which is very cool. Now let's see if the operator by mistake sets the tool in reverse mode. If the tool is set in reverse mode, the controller is gonna blink like, oh, you're doing it wrong. Let's see. Oh, as reverse mode, which is see, counter clockwise. So it's gonna blink. Now let's see your idea will be just test the tool. So if you want to just test the tool, you click on configuration right here. Okay, click in diagnostics, enter, then go over here into tool, enter, then go down. The first thing we're gonna check is the encoder for angle, which means this is the turning. Okay, so our goal here is that this tool is gonna rotate once to one spin in 200 milliseconds. Let's see what happens. So we go here. First, I'm gonna check the right direction. Okay. I'm gonna try to put this simultaneously. Let's see. And that's one turn. So in this case, the real information that the tool gives us is like it turned 362 degrees in 200 milliseconds, which is pretty accurate. Those are for applications where you want to spin this tool, this torque, not runner, not setter. Sometimes people call it not setter, and exactly like let's see, we're going to spin this in an application 100 times, so we can just do it the way it is with angle, but also we can control torque. Is the next step. The next step actually is the voltage, you know, the logic voltage of the tool, and with this one we can measure torque measurements. Like in this case, if I put some torque in the head of this Nutrunner, we're gonna see information here. See, I'm applying some torque, which right now is 0.09 Newton meters. See, put this a little harder. We're talking 0.18. And the last information that we can get from this test is click one more time, and we're going to find out what's the speed. So going to the trigger again. Let's see if we can take this in the video. And very silent, eh? We have the maximum speed, the testing speed, into 896 RPM, revolutions per minute, which is pretty cool. We can also look at the transcoder, where the transcoder is saying this tool is. Click here again, and boom, you have all the information from the tool. One important thing here is the max torque is 33 Newton meters. The tool part number. Sometimes the tools are kind of beaten up, and you can even read the part number. So this tool is like perfect, you know. And the part number is here, 47EA33AM3, which is exactly as it says here. I can give you also some information from the serial number. You have information here from the motor speed. Calibration date. Transducer type. This is the part number of the transducer. And a very important thing also that you can find out from these tools is like it's going to show you the number of cycles that is being used. In this case, this tool is being used 25,546 times. So if I use just a click here, see, is counting one more. Yeah, one more click, one more count, which is very low use. Why? I mean, you can, if you can use, let's see, you torque 500, you know, bolts in a day, in a process. You are gonna be, you know, the typically use is gonna be 500 days, which is 1.5 years. If you use this with 500 volts, sometimes it's much more in a production case. So I just wanna show you this. The last thing I wanna show you from this tool is the inside of the controller. That does have everything, you know. You can put it in a CD. You can use more applications. Some of these controllers, you can see over here, you can use even 2 different tools. No, this one. This one actually is set for 120 volts, which is really good. You know, that you can just hook in even in your house, in your garage, you can just use this controller with your, nice nut setter, nut runner, to, working in a process, in an application. So finally, we're gonna run again. Set up this the right way and test it again. Let's see. Perfect. And with this, we are gonna let you go. And thank you for coming. If you are interested in these tools, we're going to set up this set. We're gonna sell this set on eBay. Our eBay user ID is my Cyber Office ID, and it's gonna be today for sale. Today is March 9. So we are welcome for you to make any questions about this tool, and have a great week. Bye.